How about we collide AI with Capcut? This will be our results. A fake background. Now I don't know, is this my background better or is this new one better? Now all that aside, you can be able to achieve this fake background, that is this very crisp background, with just the use of AI image generators. Then if you add a little bit of ChatGPT, that is to tell you really what you really want to say in depth, and Capcut, you can be able to achieve very crisp background, especially for those that do not have a very good background to shoot their videos. Now this video is for you because you don't really need to complain again about having very bad backgrounds, because with the twinkle of an eye you can change your background from whatever it is to different backgrounds, and yes, different locations. And yeah, let me show you how you can be able to do this seamlessly and very easily within a few minutes. If you're just new to the channel, I'm Samuel Favor and this is TechLensive. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, do well to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification so that whenever I post a video you'll be notified about it. And yes, your subscription motivates me to create more better videos for you. And yes, I teach you how to become a better editor. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your background from what it is right now to whatever you want it to become. And yes, this can be used in whatever sense. That is, if you're a newscaster, you can be able to cast your news beside you or however you want it to be with just a twinkling of an eye. You can be able to do this and also be able to achieve green screen effects too in your videos, even without using the chroma key effect. But yeah, maybe we are going to talk more a lot in depth in another video about using the green screen and the chroma key effect on Capcut. And note that it is actually free, meaning that it's actually not a pro version on the Capcut application. So without further ado, let's go right into how you can be able to get these amazing backgrounds for your videos. Now first things first, note that the thing you're going to be achieving first is getting the background that you'll be using in your videos. And to get this background, you can be able to get it either on your PC or on your mobile phone. In this video, I'm going to be using my mobile phone so that it will be easier for you to understand and you can quickly be able to do this. Now, when you're on your PC or on your mobile phone, go to your search engine, whether Google, Chrome or whatever you use to search, and search for Leonardo AI. Now, when Leonardo AI opens, you either sign in, that is if you've not used it before, you sign into Leonardo AI, then you go to image generation and click on it. Then you can impute this prompt. Now note that this prompt that I'm about to say is going to be in the description below, and yeah, I'm also going to be adding another prompt that you can be able to use also. Now let's continue. Generate a good room as a background with laptop and desktop for a YouTube video as a green screen. Let it be in a 16:9 format. Now when you've imputed your prompt, you have to wait for it to generate something amazing, and after it's finished generating whatever it wants to generate, you now have to be the one to pick the one that best suits what you want to use it to do. Now for me, this is the one I would actually pick. Now note that if you want to be a lot more sophisticated, you can be able to just go to ChatGPT and tell it what you really want so that it will give you a very nice prompt. Now this prompt that I gave you, I just did it out of the fact that I just want to show you that you can actually be able to feel free and say your mind to the Leonardo AI. Just speak out your whole mind to it and it will generate things that are actually cool. As from what you even see on my screen, you can see that I've used it to generate a whole lot of pictures. And yes, and yeah, if you don't even want to go through the stress of using ChatGPT or using Leonardo AI to generate pictures, you can either use all these copyright free websites to get pictures. That is, you can either use Pixabay or Pixel or whichever website that can give you copyright free pictures that you can be able to use as your background. And yeah, when you go to any of these websites, whether Pixabay or whichever website you go to, you can search exactly for what you want. Let's take for example an empty room, a background room, green screen, or whatever you want to search for. And when it gives you what you want, you download the exact one you want. And then the next thing that will be into the list will be the editing. If you've reached this part of the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified about it. And yes, do well to use the Oraimo promo code that is showing on your screen to get whatever gadget you need to get from the Oraimo store. Just try and buy something so that I feature up. And yeah, the promo code is on your screen. Heading forward, let's go down into the editing. First things first, you must have imported your video into your timeline. Now, for this video, I'm not using a YouTube video. I'm using a different video that is on my mobile phone. So I have imported the video and the picture that I want to use as a background for the video. And yes, this is how it is. I'll click on the video and use the remove background, that is the auto remove BG. I can remove the video's background automatically, but we can see it's a pro feature. For you to be able to use all the pro features on Capcut, you can be able to watch my video on that. You can click the link at the beginning at the top of the video and you will see that, or you can be able to use custom removal to do this, any one of your choice. Now for this video, I'm going to be using auto remove, and yes, the auto remove background has applied. Now I will now go to the picture that I want to use as a background. I will not highlight it. I go back, and yeah, when I go back, these are the features that are here. I will go to the last one, click on background. Now when you use blur background, it will make your video look more like you used a camera to shoot it. So I will click on blur and then choose the intensity of blur I want to give this. So I just choose the first one because I think I like how the first one looks. When I've done this, I will click on the first video that I removed its background and overlay it. When I click on the overlay, you can now see that I have this background as the main video background and I have myself below. And yeah, if I talk, you can be able to see that video feature on your phone. What you do is, and that is how you can be able to quickly and easily do this. This can go on for both long form videos and short form videos, and this is how you can be able to achieve this on your mobile phone. I hope this video was helpful and you have learned how to change your background, your video background, into whatever you want to change your background to, or to whichever location, or yeah, to even make your background whatever you want it to become. If you have learned something, well, do well to use the Oraimo promo code that you're seeing on your screen once again to get something from the Oraimo store, that is anything on the Oraimo store. And guess what, you'll be getting a 5% discount on all the items you buy from the Oraimo store. And secondly, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified about it. And guess what, this motivates me to make more videos for you. And also, I might likely be posting more often, that is maybe 3 to 4 videos in a week. Maybe this would help you a lot more better. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.